हेलो एवरीवन, अगेन वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अभी फिर से हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ एमसीक्यूज फॉर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी एंड द पैडागोगी दैट विल हेल्प यू फॉर क्लियर कमीशन टीजीटी कमीशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ क्रिएटिव लर्नर प्रेफर्स टू वन हु इज ऑप्शंस आर A. Good at lateral thinking and the problem solving. B. Highly intelligent. C. Capable of scoring constantly good marks in trust. And D is very talented in drawing and painting. Which is your correct answer here? Here your correct answer is A. That is good at the lateral thinking and the problem solving. Now the question number 2 is the individual learner differ from each other in. Options are A. General capacity for the development, B. Rate of development, C. Principle of growth and the development, D. Sequence of development. Which is the correct option here? The correct option here is rate of development. The individual learner differ from each other in the rate of the development. सबकी rate of development अलग अलग होता है. Next, third question is every learner is unique means that. Options are a common curriculum for all learner is not possible. Option B, no two learners are alike in their abilities, interest and the talents. C, learners do not have any common qualities nor do they share common goals. D, it is impossible to develop the potential of the learners in a heterogeneous class. Which is your correct option here? Your correct option is no two learners are alike in their abilities, interest and the talent. Now the question number 4 is, this is the question number 4, that is constructivism as a theory. A. Emphasizes on memorizing information and testing through recall. Option B. Focuses on the role of the imitation. Option C. Emphasizes the role of the learner in constructing his own view of the world. D. Emphasizes on the dominant role of the teacher. Which is the correct option here? Here your correct option is C, that is emphasizes the role of the learner in constructing his own view of the world. Now the question number 5 is development of the concept is primarily a part of. Options are physical development, emotional development, intellectual development and D is the social development. Which is the correct answer here? Here the correct answer is the intellectual development. The development of concepts is primarily a part of intellectual development. Question number 6 is hereditary is considered as a dash social structure: primary, secondary, dynamic and the static. Which is the correct option here? Here the correct option is B, that is it is secondary social structure. Now the question number 7 is The most intense and crucial socialization takes place during childhood, during adulthood, during adolescence, and throughout the life of a person. Which is the correct answer here? The correct answer is during the adolescence. The most intense and the crucial socialization takes place during the adolescence. Now the question number 8 is, helping learner recapitulate or recall what they have already learned is important because it is a convenient beginning for any classroom instruction. B. Relating new information to prior knowledge enhances learning. Option C. It is an effective way of revising old lessons. Option D. It enhances the memory of the learners, thereby strengthening learning. Which is your correct option? The correct option is option B, that it relating new information to the prior knowledge, enhancing learning. Okay. Now the question number 9 is, according to the Piaget, during the first stage of development, birth to about 2 years, a child learns best. क्या है? By using the senses, by comprehending neutral words, by applying newly acquired knowledge of the language. D. By thinking in an abstract fashion. Read again. Which is the correct answer here? Here your correct answer is A, that is by using the senses. Now the question number 10 is, theory of learning which totally and only depends on observable behavior is associated with dash theory of learning. क्या आएगा इसमें? Behaviorist, constructivist, developmental, and D is the cognitive. Which is the correct answer here? Your correct answer will be behaviorist. Okay. Now the question number 11 is, multilingual character of Indian society should be seen as how? A hindrance in teaching learning process, a resource for enrichment of school life, a factor that makes school life a complex experience for the learner. D. A challenge to teachers' capacity to motivate students to learn. Which is the correct option here? Here the correct option will be the last option, that is a challenge to teacher capacity to motivate students to learn. Now the question number 12 is, creative answer requires what? Option A, a highly disciplined classroom, direct teaching and direct questions. Option C, open-ended questions. Option D, content-based question. Creative answer requires. Which is the correct answer here? Open-ended questions. Creative answer requires open-ended questions. Now question number 13 is diagnosis of the gaps in the learning of students should be followed by reporting the findings to learners and the parents, systematic revision of all lessons, intensive drill and practice, appropriate remedial measures. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is the appropriate remedial measures. Now the question number 14 is which of the following statements cannot be considered as a feature of learning? Learning is a process that mediates behavior. B option, study of behavior is learning. C option, unlearning is also a part of learning. And D option, learning is something that occurs as a result of certain experiences. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is study of behavior is learning. Now the question number 15 is self-regulation of learning refers to. Self-regulation of the learning refers to their ability to monitor their own learning. B option, creative regulations for student behavior. C option, rules and the regulations made by the student body. Option D, self-discipline and control. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is self-discipline and control. Question number 16. Which of the following does not reflect teaching for understanding? Options are teach students to provide example to illustrate how a law works, enable students to memorize isolated facts and the procedures. Option C, ask students to explain a phenomenon or a concept in their own words. Option D, help students see similarities and differences and generate analogies. Which is the correct option here? The correct option here is enable students to memorize isolated facts and the procedures. Question number 17 is which of the following statement is true about the learning? Learning is not affected by the emotional factor at any stage of learning. B option, learning is effective in an environment that is emotionally positive and satisfying for the learner. Option C, errors made by the children indicate that no learning has taken place. Option D, learning is fundamentally a mental activity. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is learning is effective in an environment that is emotionally positive and satisfying for the learner. Now the question number 18 is human development is based on certain principles. Which of the following is not a principle of human development? Reversible, sequentiality, general to specific, and continuity. Which is the correct option here? Option A, that is the reversibility. It is not a principle of human development. Others are principle of human development, B, C and D. Now move to the question number 19. The main process of assessment should be to point out the errors of the learner, to measure the achievement of the learner, to diagnose and remedy gaps in learner, to decide if a student should be promoted to the next class. Answer for this question. Which of the option is correct here? To diagnose and remedy gaps in learning. It is the main purpose of assessment. Question number 20 is, centrally sponsored scheme of integrated education for disabled children aims at providing educational opportunities to children with disability in Blind Relief Association School, open schools, regular schools and the special schools. Which is the correct answer here? Regular schools. Now 21 question is, which of the following is not a sign of reading difficulty among young learners? Difficulty in spelling consistency, understanding words and ideas, letter and the word recognition, reading, speech and fluency. Which is the correct option here? Correct option is spelling consistency. Now the question number 22 is, a teacher wants the gifted children of her class to achieve their potential. Which of the following should she not do to achieve her objective? क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? Challenge them to enhance their creativity, teach them to manage stress, teach them to enjoy non-academic activities and segregate them from their peers. For which is the correct option here? The correct option is challenge them to enhance their creativity. Now the question number 23 is, which of the following is not a characteristic feature of intrinsically motivated children? Options are, they always succeed, they display a high level of energy while working, they like challenging tasks, and D option, they enjoy doing their work. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is B, that is, they display a high level of energy while working. Question number 24 is, which of the following is not an appropriate tool for formative assessment? कौन सा नहीं है? Assignment, term test, quiz and games, and D is the oral questions. Which is the correct option here? That is the term test. It is not an appropriate tool for formative assessment. Now the question number 25 is, learners should not be encouraged to participate in as many co-curricular activities as possible, memorize all the answers to the questions which the teacher may ask, Ask as many questions as possible, both inside and outside the class. D. Actively interact with other learners in group work. Which is the correct answer here? That is, learners should not be encouraged to memorize all the answers to the question which the teacher may ask. Memorize नहीं करना चाहिए. Next question number 26 is, Irfan breaks toys and dismantles them to explore their components. What would you do? Never let Irfan play with toys. Encourage his inquisitive nature and channelize his energy. Make his understanding that the toys should not be broken. Option D. Always keep a close watch. Which is the correct answer here? The correct answer is, क्या करेंगे इसको? Encourage करेंगे. Encourage his inquisitive nature and channelize his energy. Question number 27 is, the statement men are generally more intelligent than the women is true for domains of intelligence? Is true. Show the gender bias. May be true. Which is the correct option here? You can easily tell the answer. That is, it shows the gender biased. Gender bias. It shows the gender biased. Next question number 28 is, understanding the principle of development of a child helps a teacher in. Option A, identifying the social status of the learner, identifying the economic background of the learner, effectively catering to the different learning style of learner, and D, rationalizing why learner ought to be taught. The correct answer here is C, that is the effectively catering to the different learning styles of the learner. Now the question number 29 is, Christina took her class for a field trip, and after coming back she discussed the trip with her students. It may be connotated as assessment of learning, learning for assessment, learning for assessment, learning of assessment, and the assessment for learning. Read the question carefully. What is the answer? The correct answer is assessment of learning. Now the last question, but not the least. The question number 30 is, the statement an important precondition for the proper development of a child is ensuring her or his healthy physical development. ये statement क्या है? Is untrue as physical development in any way? Is true because the physical development occupies the topmost place in sequence of the development. May be incorrect as development varies from individual to individual. And the last is true because the physical development is interrelated with other domains of development. Which is the correct option here? Here the correct option is D, that is is true because the physical development is interrelated with other domains of the development. So here I am going to end this video. इसके बाद आप और भी वीडियोस देखेंगे फिज़िक्स पे, केमिस्ट्री पे एंड दिस चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी के ऊपर एंड पेडागोगी के ऊपर. अगर आपको इससे लग रहा है आपको कुछ फ़ायदा हो रहा है, आपको कुछ हेल्प मिल पा रही है, देन प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, like and share my channel. Thank you very much.